What's up with y'all? This is your girl Court Taught You, and I'm back with another video. I had started retwisting my hair, and I was like, why don't I just show y'all what I do? This is the gel I use. Super Grow hair gel. I got it off of Biotin. I got it off of Amazon. Biotin and keratin in it. All natural. It literally really don't smell like nothing. It smells like, it has water, coconut oil, virgin olive oil. And if you ever got water as the first ingredient, then you know it's real. This is what I'm doing. Y'all, my hair is growing. I ain't gonna hold you. So I'm just going around the perimeter. Y'all know I got like my side shaved and it goes into like a V. So this is what I do. I've already moistened my hair. I spritzed it down with my leave-in Talia Wajid, and I oil my hair and my scalp with Jamaican black castor oil. That tends to work really well on my hair, like the thick oil. So this is the consistency. Let me see, I got hair all in here. This is the consistency of the gel. So let me knock some of that off. What I'll do is get this. I don't care about my parts right now. So y'all see this right here. I'm gonna go right here, put it on the root. And since my hair is still not all the way locked, I do go down the whole shaft, and then I just do this. I literally do a palm roll. Let me get a clip. Bam. And then I go to the next one. I've been doing my own hair for so long, I can just feel. And so I go right there, boom, boom, do a 1, 2. I don't do it that tight because I'm not trying to thin out my stuff. So I do this. See if I can see. Do like this. Clip it down. That's it. So I'm gonna do another one. You see right here. This one. Put a little bit on. Feel the root. 1. Let me see, that's tight enough. Let me see if I can go to find a sister one. Boom. Now you have to be mindful when you're doing this that the way you clip your hair down while it's still damp, it's gonna dry like that. So I tend to do all my sides, and then I may do the front a certain way. But I'm being mindful because if it's sticking out a certain way, that's how it's gonna dry. Especially when your hair is not all the way locked. It's gonna be looking crazy. Again, I did start my hair with instant locks. So my hair is like locked in some areas. So even when I do wash my hair, it doesn't unravel. But it still has to go through the locking process. So what I'm still doing, I'm still going through. I'm on this side right here. And right here, I'm just going to put some product right there. Do this. I'm going to wrap that. And then go to the next one. And then I'm going to grab these two. Put it right here. Have a clip. Boom, boom. So I'm gonna finish watching a YouTube video while I do this. I'm at work right now still too, waiting for another meeting. So after I do this, I'm gonna jump under the dryer and then I'm gonna come back. This is what I got left. I don't know how many locks I really have, but what I do is section off the part where I get kind of meticulous. I'm just reconditioning all this real quick. And what I'm gonna do and just start laying these back. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I'm almost done. I should have told y'all what time I started so y'all knew. I go really fast, so y'all know I wouldn't be capping. So this is what I have done so far. Like I said, oops. Like I said, I'm just taking the back. And oh shit, that's connected to something. Y'all, my hair is growing. You hear me? That's right there. So you see, I'm going around the front top of it, and then I'm gonna take this because I'm running out of clips. I need to go to the hair store and get some more clips. I be throwing them away. Especially they be getting all rusted and stuff. Okay, so y'all see where this front right here. So I'm gonna go and twist this one so I can clamp both of these together. Do right there. Okay. So I literally just this little row. Let me hit this side. I literally don't have a rhyme or reason on, besides me wanting them to lay a certain way, because it was me and my wife's anniversary yesterday, and y'all know we have twins, so she got off work early, but we really didn't plan anything because we got something planned on Saturday to basically celebrate our 5-year married anniversary. So that's why I'm doing my hair, because either way I probably would have left it freshly washed like I washed it this morning, but I need a little cute, you know. Let me see where we at. Okay, 3 more right here, and we're gonna do this one, and then let's do boom this.
Subscriptions grow your business for whatever you're selling.
Boom.
Start subscriptions through Shopify.
Whew. Okay, I'll be back. This is all I have left. I guess I'll finish out with you guys. Shouldn't take me long. And what I'm still doing, like, I have dandruff sometimes really bad. So when it gets towards my front, and it's always like towards my front, I don't try to put it on the root, like the gel, just in case I have like a flare up or something like that. But since I've been playing basketball and stuff, I sweat so bad in my head, so it's not losing any moisture. So as y'all see, I'm just doing like this, gonna clamp this. So this I'm gonna bring back and pin it with, running out of clips. Okay, pin it with this. I'm gonna take, oh shit. Got 2 more after this one. I'm gonna pin this down. Ooh, God shed your light on me. Oh, I had to blunt my ends a little bit more after I washed them. I said, damn, y'all just wanna, just don't want a lot. So pin this, boom. I think I'm a, where do I want to put you? I'm gonna put you with this one. And then I'll put that right there. So my other locks in my other little crochet video, I had lock extensions, and those had, my roots had locked up, right? So what I did, I just took them out. I kept a few that was like the size I wanted to stay. And then I just basically split them up and crocheted the roots. So this is the, again, my other video. I use this, and then, excuse me, and I use this. So let me get back to you guys. I'm going to sit under the dryer. Then y'all gonna wait for the final result. So I just finished blow drying it, and I'm going to take these clips out. Then I'm going to show y'all the finished product. Boom! Hair is done. Here's the natural light. Let me take a picture for the thing. Hey, retwist done. I you know, it may be still a little damp, but that dryer was getting hot. But this is what it looks like. I am technically, with this set, I guess 2 months. I say go ahead and say 2 months. I do have some in the back that's been around for a long time, but I don't lost them. So up close, let me take these glasses off because I can't see. Right here. I would like to categorize this as a soft retwist because I didn't let it, I mean, it's dry. But here's the back. Let me put it right here. Other side, other side. Well, there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu retwist starter lock, DIY yourself. We trucking along. I don't mind it at all. Y'all see, even some of my ends are not even done. So they don't want to stay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, 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 if you want to see more content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.